strict attention to detail. That's what sets the new pure Kubota SSV 75 apart. It's how we improved performance, increased strength, and engineered it precisely at every level. From the Kubota engine to the smooth operation to the spacious cab, the SSV's smart design makes difficult tasks easier. Decades spent in the driver's seat inspired a sharpened view. A relentless work ethic gets results. And it's all wrapped in the toughness to never back down. The SSV 75 is Kubota through and through, so everything is accounted for. Learn more about why intelligent engineering is a smart purchase by visiting your local dealer today.